Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's class, from mathematics subject, factorization topic we are going to continue. 1 minute children. So in our previous videos, we have learned about what is factorization. It's a reverse process of multiplication, and we have seen some examples and the different types of factorization we have learned. Factorization by taking out common factor, and factorization by grouping the terms. This we have learned. Now let's see another method of factorization or another theorem which is involved in factorization, that is called factor theorem. So factor theorem is a theorem which is used in the process of factorization. Suppose x minus a is a factor of a rational integral function f of x. Don't get confused with this name, children. So here f of x is a function like 3x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Suppose this is the equation. This equation, they have named it as f of x. Instead of writing the equation in shortcut, they have taken a symbol of f of x for that. And this equation is defined in rational numbers and integers numbers. They have named it as a rational integral function. So means we have an equation f of x which is in the form of this one. If f of x is there, if one equation f of x is there, for that f of x, if x minus a is a factor, means for f of x, if x minus a is a factor, there may be another factor also, but if x minus a is one of the factor for f of x, that will be a factor if and only if f of a equal to 0. F of a equal to 0. Try to understand with clarity, children. We have one equation which is denoted as f of x. And for f of x, if x minus a to be a factor, when it will be a factor? If f of a equals to 0. What is f of a? We know f of x, function which is in x, that we know. If the function which is in a equals to 0, then x minus a will be the factor. How we can calculate f of a? Just in the place of x, we have to keep a. 3a square plus 4 into a plus 3 equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, so then we can call x minus a is a factor. During examples you can understand better, children. So just it is theorem explanation. So we have a function f of x. If x minus a is to be a factor of f of x, it will be the factor if and only if f of a equal to 0. How to calculate f of a? In the given equation f of x, in the place of x, wherever we find x, in that place we have to substitute a. After that, after substituting a, if the result is 0, so then we can say that x minus a is a factor of f of x. So this is the factor theorem, children. Factor theorem. So actually we have one more theorem, remainder theorem. According to that, f of a is called as remainder. That we are going to learn later. So here, children, suppose f of x is there. If we divide by x minus a, then f of a will be the remainder, which is equal to 0. So along with this dividend, divisor, remainder, We will also get coefficient here. We will also get coefficient here, which will be the second factor of f of x. For f of x, x minus a will be the first factor and coefficient will be the second factor, and this is the remainder. This is the remainder. F of x is considered as dividend. This is considered as divisor. One factor will be divisor, one factor will be coefficient. So we have a division algorithm rule where dividend equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. This division rule we have learned in our previous classes. So according to this rule, in the place of dividend, we can keep f of x. In the place of divisor, we can keep x minus a. In the place of coefficient, let us take it as q of x. In the place of remainder, let us take it as f of a. So now what we are telling? We are telling for f of x, x minus a is a factor if and only if f of a is 0. So according to division algorithm, we have written like this. If f of a is 0 in this equation, so then what will remain? F of x equal to x minus a into cube of x will remain. This one became 0. So only this one will remain. Now this is an equation which is written as a product of two another simple equations or expressions. This expression written as a product of two simpler expressions means these two are the factors of f of x. X minus a is a factor of f of x. Q of x is a factor of f of x. This is possible because f of a equal to 0. F of a equal to 0. So this is about factor theorem, children. We can use this factor theorem and we can find the unknown values. Here in this question, find the value of k. If x minus 1 is a factor of this equation expression, here k is the unknown value. So factor theorem is used to find the unknown values present in the equation, or used to find the solution of the equation, or root of the equation, means x value of the equation, or unknown value of the equation like k, like another unknown value. So now by using factor theorem we have to solve this question. So let us assume this expression as f of x. So let f of x equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Now they have given x minus a is a factor. So according to factor theorem, when x minus 1 will be a factor, so x minus a is a factor if and only if f of a equal to 0. Now in the place of a, we have x minus 1. X minus 1 is a factor of f of x if and only if f of 1 equal to 0. F of 1 equal to 0. So here children, this is f of x. This will be a factor if f of 1 equal to 0. How we have taken this means by factorization theorem. F of 1 means how to calculate? In the place of x, we have to substitute 1. 4 into 1 cube, 3 into 1 square, 4 into 1 plus k, remaining as it is. This is equal to 0. 4 into 1 cube, 4, 3 into 1 square, 3, minus 4 into 1, minus 4, plus k equal to 0. 4 gets cancelled, 3 plus k equal to 0, 3 comes towards right hand side, k equal to minus 3, k equal to minus 3. So like that, we can find the unknown values. Suppose here, if x minus a is a factor, then what will be the remainder? We have to take x minus a equal to 0. x equal to a, means f of a will be the remainder. Suppose if they have given x plus a is a factor, then what is the remainder? We have to take x plus a equal to 0, x equal to minus a. So f of minus a will be the remainder. If the factor is x plus a, then remainder will be f of minus a. Suppose if the factor is ax plus b, then what is the remainder? We have to assume ax plus b equal to 0, ax equal to plus b will go that side minus b, x equal to minus b by a. X value we are getting minus b by a. So remainder is f of minus b by a. F of minus b by a. Suppose if they give ax minus b, then what is the factor? Sorry, what is the remainder? You have to take ax minus b equal to 0, ax equal to minus b will go that side plus b, ax equal to b we have got x equal to b by a. So remainder will be f of b by a. So according to factors, reminders will change, children. If it is in the form of x minus a, f of a will be the remainder. If it is in the form of x plus a, f of minus a will be the remainder. If it is in the form of ax plus b, then f of minus b by a will be the remainder. If it is in the form of ax minus b, f of b by a will be the remainder. So according to factors, you have to take the remainders. Here x minus 1, that's why we have taken f of 1. If they have given x plus 1, we might have taken f of minus 1. F of minus 1. Here children, f of another theorem children, f of 1 is a rational integral function. Then f of b by a is the remainder when f of x is divided by ax minus b. F of x is divided by ax minus b. Ax minus b. So just now we have told children, if it is in the form of ax minus b, then we have to assume ax minus b equal to 0, ax equal to b, x equal to b by a. So then f of b by a will be the remainder. No need of this theorem, children. Next, another illustration, another example. Find the remainder when this expression divided by 2x plus 3. Divided by 2x plus 3. We have to find the remainder when this expression is divided by 2x plus 3. Means 2x plus 3. If the expression is divided by 2x plus 3, means which is in the form of ax plus b. What is its factor? We have to assume 2x plus 3. Sorry, what is its remainder? We have to assume 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 by 2. So f of minus 3 by 2 will be the remainder. F of minus 3 by 2 will be the remainder. So if f of x equal to this one, then the remainder is f of minus 3 by 2. How to calculate f of minus 3 by 2? Just in the place of x, we have to substitute minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 whole cube. Minus 3 cube means we will be getting minus into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, minus 27. Minus 27. But here 2 is there. Here 2 is there, children. We have to keep, 2 into minus 3 whole cube minus 27 by 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. This they have cancelled children. 2 4 times 8. So minus 27 by 4. This one. This one. Minus 9 into minus 3 whole square means minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. By 2 square means 4. 9 into 9, 81. Minus 81 by 4. Next, plus into minus, minus 3 by 2 as it is. Plus 12 they have taken. The LCM is 4. 4 1 is 4. 1 into 27 minus 27. 4 1 is 4. 1 into 81 minus 81. 2 2 times 4. 2 into 3 6 minus 6. Here there is nothing means 1 we have to take. 1 4 times 4. 4 into 12 48. If you simplify, minus 114 plus 48 by 4 will come. If we minus 66 by 4 will come. 2 33 times 2 times. So minus 33 by 2 is the remainder. But the remainder is not equal to 0. So this 2x plus 3, for this it is not a factor. It is not a factor of this given expression. It does not divides completely the given expression because remainder we are not getting 0. Though the remainder is not 0, but still we can make use of this factor theorem and we can find the remainder and we can cross check whether the given simpler expression is a factor of bigger expression or not. That also we can do. Okay, children, reminder theorem, let's discuss in our next video because you will get confused, children. Reminder theorem we can discuss in our next video. Have you understood, children, this factor theorem? Simply, once again I am repeating, if f of x is an equation, if x minus a is a factor, then x minus a is to be a factor, compulsorily f of a to be equal to 0. So then only it will be the factor. Suppose if they give x plus a, f of minus a to be 0. If they give ax plus b, f of minus b by a to be 0. If they give ax minus b, f of b by a to be 0. This you have to remember. If you won't remember this one, then there will be some problem with factor theorem. For applying factor theorem, compulsorily you have to remember these 4 rules, so that by using these 4 rules, you can find the unknown quantities, you can find the solution of the equation, you can find the remainder, you can cross check whether it is a factor or not. We are having multiple uses of factor theorem, but concept you have to understand first. That's all for today, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Please visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in. There you will be finding other online classes, quizzes, worksheets, live worksheets, some activities, English classes, coding skills recently, Vedic maths we have added. All the links will be available in the website. Thank you, children. Have a good day.